guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chaitanya. So what actually happened is yesterday I went to a place. It's Eco Wash, where you can wash your bike, and then you got some carbon clean. Like, they clean your engine and air filter and all and give it to you, because in showrooms and all they don't do the interior part of the bike that much. Or it is also known as decarbonization something. So basically it is something which cleans up your whole engine and all the air voids and bad air present in the bike and the engine, it gets cleaned. So and then all the bad air and all gets removed from the exhaust node, from there. So what the procedure is, they keep a pipe, they remove the air filter and they keep a pipe in there, and they apply some amount of pressure, up to 15 minutes. They just on your vehicle and just keep it like that for 15 minutes, and it totally gets cleaned. And after that, rev the bike, so that all the, like, they rev the bike for like 2000 rpm and 4000 rpm some 2 to 3 times, and then they go to the red line, which is 7 to 8000 rpm for 5 times, and then the whole bad gases which were cleaned out will be gone from the exhaust. So after this, I literally feel the bike is so smooth. After that, I haven't had any problem. It's so smooth, and like, it's like the moment I bought the bike, how it is, it's just like that. So until I clean it yesterday, like day before yesterday and all, it was like little bit of, I couldn't feel the bike that much, but now it's going so smooth. So basically it is like, it's actually supposed to be done in 10,000 kilometers, but I finished 9,000 kilometers yesterday. So I just wanted to do that, and I also recorded some videos over there, and I'll be keeping the video at the end of this video. Like, they explain me how and what is this process, like, in detail. So I'll just be keeping that, so that people will be knowing how it is. Usually for cars it is after 25,000, and for bikes it is after 10,000 kilometers. So it's nothing but just cleaning your whole interior, like engine and near the fuel injector and all. So I would recommend you to do that, because I could feel the bike is so smooth.
vehicles which are run above around 10,000 kilometers for two-wheelers and cars which are run about 25 to 30,000 kilometers. So due to running in the city conditions, so there will be a lot of unburnt fuel which will be deposited in the form of carbon inside the engine. So this machine basically produces hydroxy gas. This hydroxy gas will be connected the pipe will be connected to your air filter. So we'll keep the vehicle and the machine on for 15 minutes for two-wheelers and 30 to 35 minutes for four-wheelers depending on the kilometers, the total odometers. So this basically sends the hydroxy gas inside the engine, which reacts with the carbon. So basically an electrolysis procedure. The process called electrolysis, which loosens up all the carbon deposits, and after 15 minutes we will rev your engine to 2000 rpm, then later to 4000 rpm, and 4 to 5 times to the red line, to the complete rpm. So in that way you can see the smoke coming out, black smoke coming out from the engine. So that basically shows that all the carbon is out from your engine. So this will help you in increasing your pickup, your mileage, your overall performance, smoothness, and the idling power in the lower speeds. Like basically, like after a couple of thousands of kilometers, your bike could be like the power which is supposed to take in the second gear will be dropped down. Then you'll have to shift it to first gear in like heavy traffic conditions. So you will get back that initial power. So that power you will like how it was when you bought the bike. So that same power you will return it. The higher gears also you can run the vehicle. So this is a very recommended procedure. It is recommended for every 10,000 kilometers for a two-wheeler. So regular decarbonization will keep your engine running smooth and prolongs your engine life. So we also have an animation video which is running here. So this is the carbon which is being exited. So this is the air fuel mixture and the hydroxy gas which is being blown inside the engine piston. So this burns up all the carbon deposit and it comes out in the form of smoke. So it's actually mainly good for the environment, restores your performance, prevents your engine wear and tear also in the future. See, that is a fouled spark plug, and that's a clogged valves and the cake piston head. So all that black part you can see, that is all the carbon deposit which is all deposited. So this hydroxy gas will basically react with all the carbon deposits and it will blow it out through your exhaust. Yeah. And this is the hydroxy gas which is being produced from the machine. It's called HHO. So this process is recommended every 10,000 kilometers for two-wheelers and every 25 to 30,000 kilometers for four-wheelers. So you do this every 10,000 intervals, your vehicle will be running at its best condition. And we also have a Dasara offer running for two-wheelers, which is just 500 rupees for decarbonization and you will get a free bike wash, full wash. And for cars it is 2022 rupees. It's called Dasara offer 2022. So for 2022 rupees we will do a full cleanup of your car, including your interior, exterior wash and the decarbonization. So any car it is that. And once the offer ends, it is 700 for two-wheelers and for four-wheeler it is 1600 for a lower cc and something above 2000 cc will be 2100. So the bike wash is flat 150 rupees for every bike, any bike. Even if you get a Hayabusa or a super bike, it is 150 rupees. And for cars, it is for a hatchback, it is 450 rupees. That is a full wash, interior, exterior, inside dashboard, wiping, windshield cleaning, everything. So it's inside out. That is flat 450 rupees for your hatchback. And for sedans, it is 550 rupees. And for a mini SUV, it is 650. And for larger SUVs or MUVs, something like Innova, Fortuner, it is flat 700 rupees. So we are open all 7 days from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.